Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Throwlight. In this video, let's understand top C projects for beginners to try out in 2022. Aspiring programmers or developers are eager to learn how to code in one of the most popular programming language, C. Tech firms require the necessary skills for C projects in the real-world setting. As a result, they prefer beginners with experience or knowledge of C projects. Numerous C projects are available on the internet to help you improve your skills and understanding. Let's look at some of the best C projects for beginners to try out in 2022. Let's understand one by one. First one is Customer Billing System. One of the top C projects for beginners to try out is Customer Billing System. It is a simple console application that demonstrates the practical use of C language and its features. The code is complete, error-free and concise, allowing beginners to gain sufficient knowledge. This aids in the development of necessary skills for real-world C projects while compiling the code. Next one is Hangman. Hangman is the popular game among beginners with C projects in 2022 in which a computer chooses a word at random and a player must guess the word one letter at a time. This C project for beginners focuses on using and manipulating strings and loops. This aids in the demonstration of various application formats and syntaxes of the C programming language. With simplified source code, the code is both short and user-friendly. Next one is Pacman. Beginners should review the necessary skills for C projects with Pacman. The main goal is to have small dots while navigating a maze. Pacman is a well-known C project for beginners that allows them to navigate using the arrow keys up, down, right and left. It is a simple and straightforward project to learn, use and navigate with downloadable source code. Next one is Quiz. As a simple console application with a number of questions and a cash prize for each correct answer, the quiz aids in the development of necessary skills for C projects in beginners. It is used to compile the source code blocks in around 1000 lines using a GCC compiler. It is not intended for use with Turbo C versions. Next one is Cyber Management System. The Cyber Management System is well known for assisting beginners with C projects by utilizing C programming language features such as sockets, multithreading and many others. Beginners can concentrate on file management as a database for storing records. One type of management system can assist in gaining a thorough understanding of other C projects, such as employee records, libraries, and bank management, among others. This project is divided into one for the client and one for the servers. And the last one is Snake Game. Snake Game is a most popular C project for beginners that include 4 user-defined functions: drawing, setup, input and logic. It is a console-based game with no graphics for entertainment purposes. It aids in developing necessary skills for C projects to increase productivity in the near future. If you like this video, please share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel Throwlight.